We're in County Down in Leitrim and we're at Willie Herron's Herron Engineering. Willie has very kindly supported GRASSMEN this year with this mighty, and I'm a little bit scared as to how I'm going to be able to get it up and down the roads, mighty 3-axle trailer helping us in our efforts towards Make-A-Wish. And we've just come up today to lift it, and I want to ask Willie, why are you supporting us?
I'm supporting this because the company seems to be moving forward towards advertisement and video and making good progress and good prospect for charities as well. And Make-A-Wish has been involved in one of the guys in our factory there taking their family away for a break and making a dream come true for the girl. And that's one of the reasons that we're getting involved.
So the Make-A-Wish charity itself is something that's personal to this business, not just yourself?
Yes, it does have an impact, yes.
It's May and we're heading off on a big baling challenge now that we've talked to you all about. How mental has it been here for you? What kind of products are shifting at this time of the year?
The thing is just totally mental in manufacturing in the factory at the moment, because obviously the weak pound is fueling the whole thing. The export market has really grown by 50% in the last 2 years. And moving forward, we're just starting a new huge extension. We're going to be doubling the size of our manufacturing facility in the next 6 to 8 months, and hopefully we'll be fit to cater for the oncoming business from the European.
What product are you selling mostly at the minute? Is this pure silage trailer season, or is it everything? Or?
It's everything. The thing's mad at the minute. The construction market has totally and utterly took off again. Low loaders, dump trailers, you can't make them quick enough. The silage industry has been just as normal as most years. What was fueling the silage trailers is the new renewable energy situation, like bioplants and biogas situation. That's just made the market very, very buoyant, and especially for the large products.
What do you think of the tractor that we've got to pair up to your trailer?
Well, it's a pretty impressive bit of kit. Just as well we made the drawbar a good length for the size of the wheels that is in the back of it. And that's the new K80 ball system is leaving it very safe, moving forward with the new regulations. We
spoke to you at the time, and we know it's not the most popular. The ball and spoon hitch is not the most popular trailer or that to leave here. The ball and spoon thing is the RSA and Southern Ireland has took the bull by the horns and trying to promote it to make the thing safer. It's taking the jingle away from the hitch. It's a lot smoother, a lot safer, and it's very greasable. There's grease in your hitch at all times. We found the market now from this has been implemented from the 1st of January 16. There's been more and more guys inquiring about ball and spoons. I would say probably every 2 trailers now and every 10 trailers we're making in the larger trailer is all being fitted with the ball and spoon, and it's a good thing moving forward. It also limited the farmers from having to lend their trailers to their neighbours, because if the trailer's not hookable on, they can say sorry, it doesn't fit. That was one of the things we have behind it. Right, this particular trailer we have, I mean, this is the question. So obviously,
sorry, Barnett, but this is the reason why we put a ball and spoon in your trailer, because we didn't want everybody using it. You know, we didn't want scrapes and stuff coming back on it.
I don't think it's the voice born that you need to worry about. This particular trailer we have, Willie, right? When I start and go to a show or wherever I'm standing, I'm going to get asked a lot of questions, so I'm just going to have to ask you to give me a quick rundown of the specification of this trailer you've built.
This trailer is slightly longer than the norm. It's 24-foot bed with a 6-foot thick beaver tail. It's got a new ramp system on the back, which is flip over. You can use it just as a normal low loader, the stand up straight, and then the flip over if you want to palletise or you want to carry around bales or square boxes. Scaffolding, it meets every market. It's fully high-speed commercial running gear. It meets the new regs. It's got air brakes, hydraulic brakes. It's also got a breakaway system on it, which is law in Southern Ireland now, which will probably become law in the rest of the upcoming countries. We put it on many super single wheels for this project, because it's going to be drawing bales and going to be in the sort of the baling industry, and it does less damage to the ground as in dual wheels would do. So it's a pretty impressive trailer for you guys to roll around Ireland and get on with your business.
And if we want to load something wide, I see we have outriggers on here as well. So
the outriggers is on if you ever do want to move a combine or a self-propelled harvester on it, and trying to make it as safe as possible. Also, it can be used for moving large diggers and large dump trucks and other applications aside of scale.
tankers, Willie, you've been making tankers now, if I get this right, what, 5-6 years?
Tankers was first introduced in 2010. The reason why we went down the line of tankers, recession hit the dump trailers and low loaders hard. There was just nobody spending money in buying that product. That was a winter sport for us. When the recession came, dairying was actually very good. Milk prices was good. It was about the only thing was making money at that time. So 25 or 30 men needed some sort of employment through the winter. So we went down the line of engaging in tankers, which was quite an easy market for us to get into right away, because we were selling a lot of trailers into the contractor heavy user market. And when we brought the tanker out, we didn't target the low end of the tankers, we targeted the highest end of the market you could possibly be with the highest specifications. And there was a niche market for the larger tankers for our heavy users, mainly in contractors. That's how the tanker thing came about. There was a couple of companies fell by the wayside at that stage, which were making tankers, and also give us a quick input into the tanker market, and therefore the tanker market exploded for us. But it is a very competitive market, and the trailer market has got very buoyant again. It's fitting both products in now is a bit of a struggle.
Your tankers, it has been something well worth a doing, or do you wish you'd never seen them?
Well, the trailer market has totally opened doors for the tanker sales, and the tanker sales has totally opened door for the trailer sales. So one's complemented each other, and it has worked well, and we've all been well. We will continue to do the tanker range as what we have at the minute, and we will probably be bringing a few more other exciting products on.
Average silage trailer sold out of the premises this year, size? What's the average one leaving here?
Silage trailers have, 12 tonnes are nearly non-existent now. 10.5 tonnes I haven't made one in a year. 14 tonnes is still a good size of a trailer for the large farmer that's cutting his own silage. 16 and 18 tonne trailers seems to be the way to go.
H2s are classics.
H2s is totally taken over from the H1s. The H2 trailer is a lot easier manoeuvred. The chassis would be constructed approximately about 8 inches shorter for getting in and out of gates, and the slimline hydraulic door makes it very versatile trailer compared to the H1 trailers that was previously done. Not running down the H1 trailers, but the H2 trailers is 10 steps ahead of it.
And the order books are looking good then at the minute?
Order books has really exploded at the moment. We're totally and utterly maxed. Lead times is up to 16-17 weeks in product, which is not probably that good a thing, because farmers are impatient. They can be quite vocal.
Yeah.
But moving forward, we had a bit of a problem getting planning and getting permission to build our new factory, but now that's all been approved, so we're starting to do it now.
Is there anything in the pipeline that you could tell us at this stage to look out for, or were you just staying hush hush?
The pipeline will be just look out there to see what's coming next.